Here, welcome to all my dear students. Myself Dr. J.K. Sali. In the last lecture, we had seen chapter 3, various topics. Today, we are going to learn chapter 4, result orientation, direction and teamwork. New topic, concept of direction. So, let's start with the new topic, a new chapter, concept of direction. Concept of direction. Direction is the managerial function of guiding, motivating, leading, and supervising the subordinates to accomplish the desired goals or objectives. The people must be directed, otherwise, without proper direction and supervision, employees become inefficient. Directing does not simply mean issuing orders or instructions. Issuing orders and instruction by supervisors to subordinates. Guidance and helping the subordinates regarding to the proper methods of work. Motivating them to achieve the goals and supervising the subordinates. Thus, we can say that the scope of direction is very wide. Definition of directing. Direction is an important element of management, without which nothing in the managerial process can be achieved the success. It is the very essence of management. In fact, it is the sum total of all managerial efforts to see the organization marching towards its defined goals. It is simply understandable and acceptable manner. The definition of, according to Terry, directing is getting all members of the group to want and to strive to achieve the objectives of the enterprise and of the members because the members want to achieve these objectives. In this slide, now we will discuss features and nature of direction. The various points of features and nature of direction. Direction is the heart and soul of management. Without direction, management functions may come to stand still. It is direction which provides to all the managerial functions. The features and nature of direction may be summarized of the following heads. The first features and nature of direction is directing initiates actions. In direction, actions at the top level of the organization and it is flows down the hierarchy. Hence, subordinates are guided by their superiors. Thereafter, next point is directing deeds with people. This function is related to subordinates and hence it is influence the human factor. It deals with human behavior. Managers have to study the different aspect of human psychology and to understand how to influence their behavior. The next feature and nature of direction is directing is a continuous activity. It is a continuous function which is required to be carried out and throughout the life of organization. Next point is pervasive function. Directing takes place at all levels of the organization. Whenever there is a superior subordinate relationship, directing exists. Every superior has to provide the guidance and inspiration to its subordinates. Directing is a complex function that includes those activities which are designed to encourage subordinates to work the works efficiently and effectively in both the short and long run. Thereafter, next point is descending order of hierarchy. Directing flows from a top level of management and to the bottom level of management. Every manager exercises it on the subordinates. The next features and nature of direction is 6 performance. Directing is the intention of translating plan into action. Direction manager not only issues orders but also supervise the performance of the subordinates. The next point is directing is a linking function. It is the gap between the standard and actual performance. It links managers and lower level subordinates in the organization. Next features and nature of direction is directing facilities coordination. The subordinates to work properly and effectively to achieve the organization goals. It brings harmony among the employees and top level management. Direction facilities better coordination in the organization. Direction in the managerial function is the monopoly of one or two groups of managers or levels. It is the continuous process. Direction has two main objectives: to get the work done and to see the management work more responsibly. Direction links the various management functions: planning, organizing, and staffing. Direction is concerned with relationship between the people working in the organization. Direction tries to create cooperation and harmony among the member of groups. So, these were the various features and nature of direction. Thank you.